Well, now, I've not the least idea where I am. Except this place is strangely familiar.
Memory is a slippery thing, and there are always secrets in a house of this kind.
My heart is pumping and jumping, arrhythmias perhaps from my chest to my heart's electrical current. Maudie, I'm forbidden to go into any of the rooms as well.
Oh, never mind about that now. We're going to find out in one of these rooms.
Come on.
Little Teppo, he said to me, we have some visitors coming. Try to understand what I am saying to you.
Delightful creatures. Like to open his little door? Mr. Sprout is rather inclined to bite me, but he's always much more pleasant to visitors.
Mary, my dearest, my darling, you look delightful, radiant.
Take a ticket. Today might just be your lucky day.